When we talk about AI and its capabilities, we cannot overlook how this powerful technology is revolutionizing everyday life. Imagine waking up to a smart home where your devices know your schedule, adjusting the temperature, lighting, and even brewing your coffee just in time. This isn't just a futuristic dream. It's happening now. From smart thermostats that learn your habits to AI assistants that manage your daily agenda, we are integrating AI into the fabric of our daily routines. As we delve into this subject, we will share some compelling statistics about AI adoption, which has skyrocketed in the last few years, with more businesses leveraging machine learning to optimize operations and enhance customer experiences. Picture a bustling urban landscape powered by AI systems. That's the future we are stepping into, transforming how we interact with technology. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a game changer, and with billions of connected devices, IoT is seamlessly integrating into our lives, helping us track fitness, optimize energy usage in our homes, and manage supply chains and businesses. Imagine a smart fridge that alerts you when groceries are running low, or a wearable that tracks your health metrics in real time and shares that data with your doctor during your next appointment. The possibilities are limitless. In this segment, we will explore some real-life applications of IoT technology, showcasing how innovators are making strides to improve efficiency and communication between devices. Picture smart cities with connected traffic lights, monitoring patterns and reducing congestion in real time based on data gathered from vehicles and pedestrian traffic. One of the most exciting applications of combining AI with IoT is predictive maintenance. In industries like manufacturing and transportation, downtime can be incredibly costly. However, with smart sensors and AI algorithms working together, machines can now predict failures before they happen. For example, imagine an assembly line that can send alerts for maintenance needs long before an actual breakdown can occur. This proactive approach not only saves time but also extends the lifespan of the machinery. We will delve into the specific technologies enabling predictive maintenance and share success stories from companies that have implemented these practices, highlighting the immense benefits they've gained, such as reduced repair costs and minimal operational disruptions. As urban populations continue to grow, the concept of smart cities is becoming vital. By integrating IoT devices across city infrastructure, we can improve everything from traffic management to waste collection, creating more efficient, sustainable urban environments. Picture a city where garbage trucks only go out when bins are full, or public transport adapts in real time based on commuter patterns. Through this segment, we will explore how cities like Barcelona and Singapore are pioneering smart technology solutions, transforming the lives of their residents. We'll also look at the obstacles that cities face, such as data privacy and integration with existing infrastructures, showing a balanced view of this innovative movement. With the rise of IoT devices, cybersecurity becomes paramount. As we connect more devices, the risks associated with data breaches and cyber attacks soar. AI-powered cybersecurity solutions are being developed to keep threats at bay. Imagine having a security system in place that can identify and neutralize threats in real time, adapting to new methods of cyber attacks as they emerge. In this part of the video, we will analyze the evolving landscape of cybersecurity threats, focusing on how AI technology is leading the charge against cybercriminals. We will also discuss case studies highlighting successful implementations of cybersecurity measures and the importance of developing robust regulatory frameworks to protect users. Collaboration is a key driver in the success of AI and IoT technologies. Partnerships between companies like Qualcomm and Toshiba are resulting in groundbreaking solutions that enhance the retail experience through AI and edge computing. Insider stories behind these collaborations reveal insights into how businesses can foster innovation through strategic alliances. In this section, we will explore various partnerships that are pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve, illustrating the importance of collaboration in today's fast-paced tech landscape. By showcasing real-world implementations, we will shed light on the transformative power of these partnerships. Looking ahead, the future of AI and IoT holds immense potential. From advancements in edge computing to the development of smart urban environments, we're just scratching the surface of what these technologies can achieve together. In this closing segment, we'll discuss key emerging trends, including the integration of AI into everyday devices and the anticipated shift towards zero-trust architectures and cybersecurity practices. We'll also tackle how businesses can strategically prepare for these changes, ensuring they remain competitive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. As we wrap up, remember that the fusion of AI and IoT isn't just about technology. It's about creating a better quality of life for every one of us.